Pradoshita. Today we are discuss about the dependency injection in Java. First, we can discuss about the dependency injection. It is a main functionality provided by the Spring IoT. The Spring Core model is responsible for injecting dependencies through either constructor or setter methods. The design principle of inversion of control emphasizes keeping the Java setter methods the classes independent of each other and the container frees them from object creation and the maintenance. These classes managed by Spring must adhere to the standard definition of Java Bean. The dependency injection in Spring also ensure loose coupling between the classes. Next we discuss about the need of dependency injection. Suppose class 1 needs the object of class 2 instance of operate a method, then class 1 is said to be the dependent on class 2. Now through it might appear okay to depend on the module on the other, but in the real world this could lead to the lot of problems including system failure. Hence, such dependency need to be avoided. The Spring IOC resolve such dependency with dependency injection, which makes the code easier to the test and reuse the use of the code. The loose coupling between the classes can be possible by the required implementation. The task of instantiate object is done by the container according to the configuration specified by the developer. Then next we discuss about the type of Spring dependency injection. First is a setter dependency injection and second one is a constructor dependency injection. First we discuss about the setter dependency injection. This is the simplest of the two dependency injection methods. In this dependency injection will be injected with the help of the setter and or getter methods. Now to set the dependency injection as SDI in the bin, it is done through the bin configuration file. For this properties to be set with the SDI is declared under the property tag in the bin config file. Then second one is a constructor dependency injection. In this dependency injection will be injected with the help of the constructor. Now to set the dependency injection as CDI in the bin, it is done through the bin configuration file. Thank you.